Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly deploy and configure the Hiddify panel on a HOSTKEY server. Hiddify is a secure and user-friendly way to access the internet. It encrypts your traffic using AES 256, hides your online activity, and helps you bypass censorship and firewalls. We'll guide you through the full setup from renting a server to connecting through the app. Head over to the HOSTKEY website and open the Marketplace section. Choose VPS, find Hiddify in the list, and click on it. Now configure your server. Location, Netherlands, plan VPS2, suitable for most use cases. Rental period, 1 month, click Next, and then log in or create a new account. Double check your order and then pick your preferred payment method, balance, credit card, PayPal, and so on. Once the payment's gone through, the server will automatically start installing. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the server is ready, open the InVP panel and connect via SSH. You can find the login credentials in the email you receive when the server is launched. The server's IP address is also available in InVP. Just enter the login and password you received by email. After logging in, the system will display a unique link to the Hiddify admin panel. Copy it and open it in your browser. The setup continues there. Required settings to put in the panel, country others. In the domain field, Hiddify open brace server id close brace.hostkey.in, e.g. hiddify48543.hostkey.in. Click submit to save changes. Optional settings. Traffic encryption, AES 256 is the default. DNS, censorship bypass options, safe mode, TS, and other security settings. After saving the configuration, the system will generate a final config link, which we'll use in the app. Next, we install the Hiddify client on your device. Visit the official Hiddify website or scan the QR code from the panel. Download the app for Android, iOS, or PC. Install and launch the app. Now import the config, upload the file, paste the link manually, or scan the QR code. Confirm the import, and you're all set. Now just open the app and tap Connect. Within seconds, your connection is live. All traffic is encrypted and your IP is hidden. To make sure it's working, just visit any IP check website to see for yourself. If your location has changed, for example, to the Netherlands, that means the VPN is active. Why choose Hiddify from HOSTKEY? AES 256 encryption, enterprise-level security, bypass blocks and protect against attacks, simple web interface with flexible settings, cross-platform, works on Android, iOS, Windows, your own server, total control, no third parties. Try Hiddify today. The link to order your server today is in the video description below.